In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and view a burndown chart in Jira. A burndown chart is a helpful report for tracking sprint progress over time. It shows how much work remains in the sprint and helps your team quickly see whether work is being completed at the expected pace. If you're using Jira for sprint planning and delivery, this is one of the most useful reports to know how to access. To get started, open your Jira project and make sure you're on the board where your sprint data lives. From there, look for the Reports option in the left side or top navigation area, depending on your Jira layout, and click on Reports. This will take you to the reporting section for that board, where Jira collects the different charts and progress views available for your team. Once you're in the Reports area, click on More Reports. This expands the list of report options so you can access additional reporting tools beyond the default view. If you don't immediately see the report you need, this is usually where you'll find it. Next, choose Sprint Burndown Chart. This opens the burndown report itself. On this page, Jira will display a visual chart that compares the remaining work in the sprint against the ideal progress line. This makes it easier to understand whether the sprint is on track, ahead, or falling behind. It's especially useful during daily stand-ups or sprint reviews because it gives a quick summary without needing to open every individual issue. After opening the burndown chart, select the sprint you want to review. If your board contains multiple active or completed sprints, this step is important because the chart only displays data for the sprint you choose. Be sure to pick the correct sprint if you're looking back at past performance or checking the status of a current sprint. Then select the estimation field. This tells Jira what measurement to use for the burndown chart, such as story points or time-based estimates, depending on how your team tracks work. Choosing the right estimation field matters because it affects how the remaining work is calculated and displayed. For example, if your team plans using story points, you'll want the chart to reflect that instead of issue count or another metric. Once that's set, your burndown chart is ready to review. You can use it to monitor sprint health, spot scope changes, and understand whether work is being closed steadily throughout the sprint. If the chart looks unusual, double check that the correct sprint and estimation field are selected, since those settings have the biggest impact on what you see.